morning friends. Patient has come from US and we have done the hair transplantation like 6 to 7 months back. He will explain about the process and the experience about the hair transplantation. Sir, please.
Cured. So I was not too big fan of getting hair transplant because I thought I always had hair and it's fine, it's not a big deal. But my wife was very adamant that you should go and at least consult somebody to see what can be done, so at least the hair that you have can be maintained also, through the transplant process it can grow and you get a better hairline and so on and so forth. So I consulted Arth. Again, I was very skeptical. I'm like, I know what, I'm just gonna make my wife happy and tell her that I went to the doctor. But when I spoke to him for the first time, I got a confidence that, oh no, there is something to it. So I spoke to him on the phone a couple of times, and then I remember it was during Diwali time, everything was closed, and he was very, I told him that, hey, I came from US, I'm only here for a few days. And during the Diwali break, he was so attentive to my needs and my calls. So he was on a family vacation. He still spoke to me, carved out a time from his busy schedule to explain me the process, the procedure, and so on and so forth. That kind of gave me confidence to make a visit to his clinic. So I came here, I saw how things are being done. He again explained me things in details. And that kind of gave me a good confidence, and I said, what, let's do it. I trust you. Let's do it, and we'll go from there. And fast forward 6 months from now, you can look at the result. I can look at my pictures from a year ago. I thought I had hair, but now when I look at the pictures from a year ago and when I look at the pictures now, it is totally different. Everywhere I go, people are saying, oh wow, what kind of treatment have you done? It looks so natural, and you have amazing hair growth. Even through the process and through the journey, right? People say it's painful, but it wasn't painful, to be honest. I don't know if people will believe me or not, but I did not even take one painkiller after the surgery. They did that good of a job. So a lot of people say, yeah, take a painkiller, it will reduce the pain, but I did not need to take one. Also throughout the process, he was very attentive. I would send him a picture here and there from US and say, hey, look, this is what's happening. What do you think? I don't see something's happening. And he's like, just be patient. It's a process. It's a marathon. You cannot sprint through the marathon. So it's a process. It's a 6 to 9 month process, and the hair will keep growing and keep coming. So yeah, and he was spot on. He was absolutely right. The month over month, I can see the progress. Month over month, I look in the mirror. He said, "Oh wow, this is amazing progress." And that's why I'm visiting in India right now. So I said, what, Arth, I'm gonna stop by. I'm gonna say hello because then I wanna really thank you for what you have done with me. So appreciate it, Arth.
Thank you so much. I just want to say thank you to sir. I just want people to see the hairline. This is a very artistic thing. So can you show your hairline, please? So it's the most difficult thing which very few people can give. So it should be completely normal, and you can see the result. So this is how the process should be. It is completely painless, single day procedure, no painkiller, no follow up, no dressing, no downtime, no swelling, no